Hey y'all, what's going down? What's going down in the town? Kaikane Smith here once again, just chilling out after a long day of teaching. Today's topic is about the best universities to teach at in Japan. And I got 4 for you. Basically, number 1 is Todai, which is Tokyo University. Number 2 is Waseda University. Number 3 is Keio University. And number 4 is Kyoto University. Those are the top 4 universities if you want to land a teaching job at a university here in Japan. The next question that you have, I already know, I'm a bit psychic, is what kind of degree do you need to teach at a university in Japan? And that's plain and simple. Pretty much, if you're lucky, you can land a teaching job at a university in Japan. Maybe not the 4 that I'm mentioning now, if you have a master's degree. And of course, your master's degree must be majoring in English if you're going to teach English at a university, and also linguistics. Do keep in mind that at most universities, not only in Japan, but throughout the world in non-native English-speaking countries, they will require you to have a PhD to teach English. The pay is high, ranging anywhere from about $6,000, if you're lucky enough, up to $10,000. Yes, I said $6,000 up to $10,000, depending on your experience. Also, one thing I forgot to mention in my previous video, you do need a bit of experience if you want to teach at a university here in Japan, or anywhere else for that matter. Usually they will require a couple years, around about 3 years or even more, if you're going to be teaching at a major university here in Japan and other universities throughout the world. Now, although Kyoto University is actually the second best university in Japan, I put that at number 4 as that's outside of Tokyo. For you gents who really want to make bank and have an awesome time teaching English in Japan, I highly suggest you land a teaching job if you're capable and qualified enough to teach at those 3 universities, one of those 3 universities here in Tokyo. And also, if you like Kyoto, which is more chillaxed and relaxed city in Japan, you can go down there to teach. And not just gents, ladies as well, of course. The last question for you is, does Kaikane teach at universities in Tokyo and throughout Japan? And the big answer is YES, yes, I do. I have about 4 teaching jobs currently, teaching at universities in Tokyo and a few other areas in Japan. Well, that's a wrap, chaps, for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, check out my website, Get Rich Teaching English, if you haven't, and get my book as well if you haven't yet. Do keep in mind, I also provide Skype and email private one-on-one consultations for you to help give you the best advice possible on your journey of teaching English abroad and getting rich teaching English. I also do provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well. Until next time, stay tuned for more videos. Take it easy, stay focused, stay trained. Peace out.